Hello, my name is How to PC and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to easily change your computer's RAM. It's important to make sure you get RAM which is compatible with your PC, so I recommend you to do a bit of research before buying your RAM, so that you don't have to waste even more of your precious time and money to buy some new stupid sticks of RAM because you didn't have the brain cells to check if it was compatible. Now, let's get started. First of all, you'll need a computer to put the RAM in. So grab yours and open the back panel. Now you need to find the RAM slots on the motherboard. On mine, it's placed here, but on yours, it might be different. To remove the RAM, you simply press back the two RAM locks on the RAM slot before you lift the RAM stick out. Do the same on the other slots to remove the rest of the RAM. Do note that you should place the RAM sticks in this order. The first slot is the one on the right for you when you have the motherboard's bottom towards you. Then you should set the RAM in following this order. But because you are seeing the PC upside down, let's turn the picture so it makes sense. Now, to install the RAM, you have to make sure you're putting the RAM in place correctly, simply by lining up the space between the RAM pins. When that's done, you just have to open the RAM locks, place the RAM stick in the RAM slot before you press it in place. Do not be afraid to apply some force to press the RAM stick in place. When that's done, simply repeat this process for the rest of the RAM sticks you have. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed your RAM in your computer. Now the only thing to do left is to put on the back panel and game on like never before. Or whatever you like to do with your computer. Thanks for watching. This was my first video on this channel, so I hope you like it. And if you did, maybe consider subscribing and leaving a comment on what I did good or what I should do better in the future. And again, thanks for watching.